Hey guys, Sam from Original Garage Moto. Today we're going to talk about our rear crash bar for Harley-Davidson Touring models and some of its unique features and different options we offer. You've been asking for it for a couple years now, and we finally delivered. Our new bolt-on rear crash bars will keep your bike fully protected, paired with our front bagger crash bar. Its unique design delivers one of the strongest crash protection on the market. It comes fully welded with bag rail supports and requires absolutely no cutting or modification to side covers. Just like our M8 Softail crash bars, the design utilizes CNC machined frame mounts for perfect fitment and improve overall rigidity. This crash bar won't bend like some other option on the market. It is designed to be used with passenger pegs, and it will also fit with any aftermarket exhaust system and also fit perfectly with stock exhaust or slip-on systems, since it comes with welded tabs as per the stock unit. The overall width installed on the bike is 37-inch tip to tip, so it protects the bag perfectly. It is a fully TIG welded unit, and it comes in a durable black powder coated finish. It is also available in many slider colors that will match all your popular OG hard parts. This rear crash bar kit will fit 2014 and up Touring model. It will also fit the 2023 CVO models and the new 2024 Touring models. Alright guys, if you have any question regarding some of our products, please feel free to call us or email us at any time. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Again, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.